Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jan Pak Ganern, and if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. O diba? May pa-welcome. Pero, ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Shanghai, and it's my last day in Shanghai. Oh my God. I've been here for a week, and I feel like ang dami ko pang gustong puntahan or gustong, you know, i-sightsee. Mag-check out ako ng mga 11:30 kasi yung check out dito sa China guys is 12 PM. So 12 PM ka mag-check in, then yung check out mo din is 12 PM. So ayan, I like it so much kasi early yung check in. Kasi 'di ba yung standard usually is sa Philippines, 'di ba, 2 PM. Ayan, touch up tayo ng very late guys before tayo mag-check out. So nakapag impact na ako ng very late kagabi. So, ang itinerary ko today is, it's going to be a really chill day, guys. Ayoko naman na last day ko pa, isisiksik ko pa lahat ng mga, alam nyo na, yung mga itinerary ko na bongga, diba? Ayoko naman ng ganon. Kasi, I really try to like have a very chill itinerary kasi we're not getting any younger. Pero, in my itinerary talaga, in a day or in the afternoon na lalabas ako, I try to insert and go back to the hotel. Number 1, kasi magnanap ako. And number 2, mag-charge din ako ng phone. At the same time, I get to like really relax. And ang good thing naman din sa hotel ko is malapit lang din naman siya sa mga location or mga tourist spot. So, isang train ride lang or maybe dalawa or a few stops lang from where the tourist spot is this hotel. Itong Jinjiang Inn Hotel, dito malapit sa, or not malapit, but dito talaga mismo sa East Nanjing Road. Mabilisan na lang to guys, hindi na to pa pretty kasi nga, I'm so tired. Pag kasi last day ko na talaga guys, pag uuwi na ako, parang super pagoda, as in, ang Jan Pak Ganern, parang hagard na hagard Versosa ang Peg China. So, ayan, itatry ko na lang na maging presentable naman. Appreciate ko talaga is they were able to preserve their parks, their ponds, and then ano ba? May mga trees kahit sa mga public places. So yan. But then ang hindi ko lang talaga bet na bet is yung people are having the freedom to like smoke as in everywhere. Just to give you an insight of what is happening currently, para naman hindi kayo ma-culture shock. Kasi this was one of my most shocking culture shocks ever. People were smoking while walking. Sometimes they're like smoking in the middle of the pedestrian roads. And then sometimes they throw away the cigarette butt. Tinatapon lang nila sa gilid-gilid. Hindi ko kayang sikurain yung usok talaga ng or amoy ng sigarilyo. Ewan ko ba. But yeah, it is what it is. Again, guys, I'm saying this just a heads up kasi we may have friends out there na have asthma. So I'm pretty concerned about it. I don't have asthma, but I'm still not liking it. Like, dapat, you know, be prepared and wear face masks everywhere. So one thing, guys, na napansin ko is hindi sila nasa-serve ng tubig. Usually mga tea. So, one tip that I can share with you all is to always bring a bottled water. In my case, guys, the hotel always gives bottled waters. May mga bote pa nga ako dito ng tubig na hindi ko pa nauubos. But, yeah, always bring. I always bring as well. Para naman hindi na kayo bumali dun sa mismong restaurant. Kasi they don't serve it. And guys, let me know in the comments if you have any questions about China or as a solo traveler, ano yung mga questions nyo. Kasi I might be able to help you out as a Filipino traveler myself. Although I'm not really the best out there kasi mas madami pa naman yung magagaling na Filipino travelers doon or mga vloggers. Pero, you know, ayun lang. Just wanted to help you out kasi ang hirap kasi sa China, guys. While I was researching, wala masyadong nagbablog about it. And hindi kasi siya parang very common na tourist destination. Parang people will usually automatically think, like, if you want to go outside of the country, people would normally think, oh, I want to go to Hong Kong, oh, I want to go to Japan, or Korea. Di pa ako nakapag-Korea. Pero, ayan, or maybe Singapore, or Malaysia, Indonesia. Yun yung mga countries talaga na people's, especially for Filipinos, na iniisip nila na doon sila pupunta. Medyo natatakot sila. Baka may hostility. Baka pag sabihin ng Pilipino ka, baka they will treat you differently. Honestly, guys, no. I've never experienced hostility while here. Walang ganyan. And they're very helpful. Even if they don't speak English, they're super helpful. So if you're scared of coming here just because of the, you know, the dispute ng government between whatever, I'm not gonna talk about it, but if you're just scared because of whatever you're seeing sa media, don't. I'm telling you. It's a fun place. And the food is good. It's just oily for me, for my liking. And time check, it's 10:18. An hour from now, more or less, I'm gonna be checking out. I'm just gonna pack a couple more stuff, and then after that, I'm good to go. Then, lalabas ako and I need to drink coffee because I need caffeine in my system. Gusto kong magkapag-kape para naman mamayang gabi, pagpunta ko ng airport, lalaban tayo. So, think I'm good to go. Pack muna ako saglit, guys. And then, check out na ako. Mamaya! See you! Bye! Yan lang yung aura natin or yung makeup natin today. It's very, very lightweight. Nakapag-empake na tayo. Pack. And OOTD check. Very ano lang tayo. Very chill. Nakadress lang ako ulit. Yan. I got my stuff with me. I will leave this sa reception. And then I will check out. It's 10:41. I still actually have a lot of time. So, ayan. Probably I'll just look for a coffee shop na mag-chill-chill. I'm gonna go and say bye to my room for 6 nights and 7 days. Ayan. Mamimiss ko ang room na to. Ayan. Let's. Tara, let's. So, nakapag-check out na tayo, guys. And, you will need to fill out a baggage na card or something. And then, after that, they will keep it or store it for you. And then, balikan mo na lang. And then, ipakita mo to sa kanila para ma-claim mo yung maleta na you left. Ayan. Nice. May pa-free na flowers yung Uniqlo, guys. 40 years daw sila. Tinanong ko pa ulit-ulit kung free ba. Sabi niya free naman daw. Oh my God! Inamoy may face mask. 本期我们邀请到3位童女妈妈来分享怎么买。基本场，这个六一可以让宝贝们和童话。So, nandito ako ngayon, guys, sa isang mall malapit sa hotel ko. And nga, nakabili ako nabudol ko ng Uniqlo. Parang ang nahihiya kasi ako kasi super friendly nandun sa pinaka-storefront yung nagbibigay ng roses na free. Although sinabi niya na free naman, pero parang nakakahiya na she's so friendly. Like, tinulungan niya pa akong bigyan ng basket kasi I was bringing all the stuff. And she was like, do you need a basket? Something like that. And then, yeah, sabi ko, yeah, sure. Sobrang bait niya. So, ayun, nabudol na ako. Bumili ako ng Aries, na dress, and top. Yan lang. Roses, I love it. 40 years ng Uniqlo. So nice. And then may ano din sila sa baba. So nice. So innovative. I don't know, but I love unagi so much, guys. Nagka-crave ako sa kanya. Minsan nga, mas kinikrave ko pa siya kaysa sa ramen. It's so soft. Like, it melts in your mouth. Kind of softness. So good. I'm so happy. Try nga natin inumin tong juice nila, guys. Orange juice na something. Wow. Parang mali ata yung order ko, guys. Yung parang red something niya sa baba. Para siyang ano, rum or wine. Ito na side. So when I'm mixing it, it kind of feels like alcohol. And I might have ordered a rum one, but it's fine. Masarap naman siya. Hindi naman siya bitter. Pero if you're drinking directly from the straw, it has that bitter taste. But when you mix it, hindi naman siya ganun katapang. Pero, ayun na, instead of orange juice, parang orange na may alcohol something. Anyway. Tapos na-realize ko when I went to Japan na yung food kasi nila very well cooked and just the right oiliness. Hindi masebo yung mga pagkain nila. And even if fried, for example, karage, hindi siya oily. Basta iba yung atake ng food nila. God, kinakabahan ako. Nabudol ata ako, guys. I like this one specifically. Yan na, guys. So, kaka-deserve ko. display siya sa kwarto ko, guys. So, ayan. So excited. Anime fans. Tapos may pa-event pa sila na may anong tawag natin? May pa-event sila na anime related. Na-unleash talaga yung pagkaka-anime fan ko dito. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So, nandito ako today sa may Shanghai Science and Museum na station. At ngayon, nakita ko tong optical na company or clinic or whatever.
And sabi nila, you're able to get your glasses within 20 minutes. So, ayan. I got it for 420 yuan. That's like 3,000 something pesos. Not bad kasi 3,000 naman talaga usually yung pair of glasses ko pag nasa Pilipinas ako. Hi everyone! John Pak Ganern here. Oh my god guys, hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi medyo hectic na and mahaba yung biyahe and ang daming tao super sa train. Pero currently, I'm already at the Shanghai Pudong International Airport. Nandito ako sa harap ng Terminal 2 Departures Check-in Indicator. So, ang flight ko is 5J679 from Shanghai Pudong to Manila. And check nyo na lang guys yung flight number nyo, tsaka i-indicate naman ng monitor kung saang check-in area. So for Cebu Pacific, it's gonna be letter G. So ayan. Flight is 1:35 AM. So ayan, time check, it's already around 8. I think 10 minutes before 9 PM. And ang gagawin ko is pupunta ako sa my G check-in area and then papak ko ng madalian kasi may mga stuff ako na gusto kong ilagay sa loob ng check-in check-in baggage ko. And then after that, pipila na ako sa check-in for Cebu Pacific. Ayan, medyo naparami yung ko guys. Medyo naparami yung bili ko ng stuff dun sa fake market. Pero ayan, I also got this. I don't know if you can see it clearly, no? Pero I got a new eyeglasses there for around 500 yuan, which is not bad. Actually, I like the design. I like the gold details. Pero ayan, sa akin lang naman. Anyway, let's go. I'll pack my stuff and then check in na para chillax na lang. Ay wait, pakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng Shanghai Pudong International Airport departure area. And yung departures pala guys is from the 3rd floor. So you need to go up from the metro station. Lakad-lakad ka lang. And Cebu Pacific flights are at Terminal 2. So may arrows naman and you should follow na lang to find Terminal 2. So ayan. And then ang lalaki ng mga letra like A, B. I'm currently at letter C. Lalaki ng letters naman ng check-in area dito sa Shanghai Pudong International Airport. So, hindi ka naman din mawawala. So, ayan. I'm so excited to go home. Kasi excited ako sa mga napamili ko. Anyway, let's go guys. So much for talking. Ayan. Letter G is nasa unahan siya guys. So, dun tayo tatambay malapit sa letter G. Para dun tayo mag-impake. And then, para diretsong check-in na. So, from East Nanjing Road Station, sumakay ako ng line 2, papuntang Pudong International Airport. Supposed to be may direct line, pero for some reason, yung train na sinakyan ko is nag-stop siya sa may Guanlong Road. And then, nag-transfer na lang kami sa exact same station. Sorry, ang tsaka ng view ha. Lumalakad kasi ako guys. Pero, ayun nga, we transferred sa the same exact station. I'm not sure kung is that a normal thing or whatever. Pero, yan. Wait lang guys. Hi everyone! Upo ko lang. And medyo malayo-layo yung gate namin. Nandito kami ngayon sa D60. So, ayan. Bongga. I love it. Ayan. So, antay-antay na lang kami ng boarding, guys. Boarding namin is 1 AM. And early pa naman. It's 11 pa. So, upo-upo muna, chill-chill muna, and chika-chika muna sa mga kapwa-pasahero na Pilipino. Medyo naguluhan lang ako, guys, kasi first time kong magle-layover ng Manila. So, hindi ko alam. Nung tinanong ko yung dun sa anong tawag niya to? Nung tinanong ko yung sa may check-in counter, sabi niya, yung boarding pass ko sa Manila ko na daw kukunin. Pero yung baggage ko, dediretso na siya ng Cebu. Tapos may nakausap din ako na layover sila sa Manila going to Davao. Pag international naman daw, kukunin mo daw sa belt. Self-transfer ka daw. Kasi dadaan ka pa ng customs. So, medyo naguluhan ako kasi nga first time. Medyo conflicting yung information na nakukuha ko. So, ayan. Kaya, kinakabahan ako. Well, hindi naman kinakabahan. Pero, you know, there's just this a little bit of anxiety pag nagle-layover ka. Tapos hindi mo sure kung yung maleta mo is susunod sa'yo. Hopefully, pag-pray natin. Wala naman ding importanteng gamit dun sa bag ko. Damit lang, mga dirty clothes lang naman yun, and mga snacks. Yung mga binili kong smartwatch tsaka relo is nandito naman sa akin. Tapos itong mga pinamili kong mga toys. Yung binili ko na miniature room or house. Tapos yung binili ko na doll. I'm so excited. See you in the Philippines. See you in Cebu later, guys. Di na ako mag-vlog kasi nahihiya ako.